Can you tell us a bit about your company and its journey in the apparel and textile industry? And ma'am, what's your name? So
Hi.
can you just brief about yourself.
Yeah, so my name is Ritu Patel Noor and I'm representing Barbie today. So Barbie is an alliance with Tiny Girl India, and Tiny Girl Clothing Company has been in the industry since last 30 to 32 years now, and now we've taken the licensee for Barbie. So now this is the first year that we are launching Barbie with Tiny Girl in the Indian market. We're the whole sole licensee owners of kids wear in Barbie. So yeah, we're looking forward to have a great 3-day exhibition in CMAI and meet our customers and introduce them to our Barbie collection.
Okay. Is this the first time that you are participating in this particular event?
No, we've been associated with CMI for I think more than 10 years now, and we look forward to every exhibition that comes in because we get to meet our customers and we make new customers every year and every season. So yeah, it's been like quite a long time that we've been with CMAI.
Ma'am, what's your expectation from this particular event this year?
Currently, so because it's the first year, so we want to introduce the brand to the customers. We want to see how the customers are liking our product and what is their response to our product. So it's more like a preview show, and then let's see how it goes.
Given the extensive reach of IndianApparel.com in the textile industry, have you considered advertising with us for more targeted exposure?
Yeah, we would look forward to doing that because we love the fact that you are such a big company who will be helping us to reach to our new customers as well. So yeah, we would like to, in future be associated with Indian Apparel.
Can we assist you in exploring advertising options that would be beneficial for your company?
Yes, for sure. In the future, whenever we require, we'll definitely contact you guys for the same.
What is the USP of Barbie? How is it different than the other children?
So Barbie being an international brand itself, so of course the name is already very big in general and it's an international brand. So the thing with Barbie is Barbie has its own prints and its own colors, and since it's there since so many, it will be completing around 65 years this year. So the reach of Barbie is already too high and the demand of Barbie in kids wear is also too high. So our products, of course, it's in association with Tiny Girls. So Tiny Girls craftsmanship, Tiny Girls top-notch quality, Tiny Girls designing comes in with Barbie. So it's like a perfect blend of two kids wear brands coming in together and creating a new different world and a new different collection for the kids wear.
So is this only child brand or even boys? Do you have something for boys as well?
It is a completely kids wear, girls wear brand. So we cater to from 4 to 14 years old kids. This is a party wear collection.
Can you tell us something about the fabric, about the design?
Definitely. So basically, we play with a lot of poly blends and cottons and linen because it's summer this time, and majority of the prints and the colors are coming from the Barbie team. So we are playing with whatever Barbie is providing us, and we are developing our silhouettes on the same. So our majority, we have the party wear collection, then we have the blend of casual and party wear, then we have our separates, then there are quads, and then there are again separates of bottoms and shorts. So the thing with Barbie is Barbie provides us with the stories. So they give us the paints and they ask us to print the canvas, like to paint the canvas according to us.
Correct.
So basically it's like our creativity with a blend of Barbie in it.
So right now, where are you present? Where all are you present?
So currently we are in all LFS and SIS stores. So we are in more than 100 stores. We are with Reliance, we are with Lifestyle, we are with Central, we are with Shoppers Stop, and a lot of SIS stores from the north.
Amazing.
So our presence is building every day, growing every day. So hopefully this year we'll also get into MBOs and e-commerce as well. So yeah, and of course at Tiny Girl EBO stores in Gwalior and in Kanpur.
Ma'am, it was really lovely talking to you. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thank you.